In this video, we will be discussing the next category of sounds, semivowels. The semivowels in English are v and y. V and y. So they are called semivowels because these sounds, these consonants are having vowel-like quality. In the case of v, the back part of the tongue is raised to the velum or the soft palate. Okay, the back part of the tongue almost assumes a closed position. Okay, we will be able to differentiate what is close, half open and open when we study vowels. Anyway, it almost reaches the topmost portion of the mouth. Okay, it approaches the soft palate. The soft palate is raised. It prevents the nasal passage of air, and the air is coming out. There is no considerable stricture or blockage of the air. That is why we call these sounds semivowels. Okay. So the first v, the back part of the tongue raises towards the soft palate or the velum. The vocal cords are lying close together, producing phonation or vibration. So we describe it as a oist, velar. Since the soft palate is involved, it is the velum, soft palate or velum, velar, semivowel. And in the case of ear, the front part of the tongue raises towards the hard palate. Okay, it also assumes a closed position or above the half closed position. So the front part of the tongue moves or rises upwards towards the hard palate. So we can describe ear as the vocal cords are lying close together, producing phonation or vibration. So ear can be described as a oist. This is the palate. We call it palatal semivowel. Okay. So v and ear, there is slight difficulty in the case of v. The Indian speakers very often mispronounce this sound v. So we have already discussed this sound v, the lower lip and upper row of teeth. Okay, the lower lip approaching the upper row of teeth. This is a fricative sound, labiodental fricative v as van, very. So this sound is v. Okay, what. We have to pronounce it as what. There should be considerable lip rounding in the case of v, yeah, not v. It is not what, it is v. Okay, v. So v and yeah. V sound in words like watch, wait, wage, what, worry, twinkle, winter, dwell. Ear sound as you, yell, yellow, youth, young, huge, value, duty,